Dear viewers, in today's video we're going to show you the top 5 best electrical hand tools to buy this year. Let's begin. FLUKE 117/323 Kit Multimeter. The FLUKE 117/323 Kit Multimeter combines the versatile FLUKE 117 multimeter with the reliable FLUKE 323 clamp meter, offering accurate AC and DC voltage and current measurements. The 117 multimeter features true RMS for precision on nonlinear loads and low input impedance to prevent false readings. The 323 clamp meter provides true RMS AC measurements and handles up to 400 AAC current and 600 VAC DC voltage. This combo kit is ideal for residential and commercial electricians, packaged with test leads, TPAK, and a durable carrying case for easy transportation and protection. The NEIKO 02037A Wire Stripper. The NEIKO 02037A Wire Stripper is a compact 4-in-1 tool designed for versatile wire handling. With the ability to strip and remove insulation, crimp insulated and bare wires, and grip, twist, pull, and bend wire ends, it's an essential tool for electricians. Constructed from solid forged alloy steel with heat-treated CNC machined blades and teeth, it offers precise and clean cuts on various wire types. This compact 7-inch tool accommodates wire gauges from 12 to 20 AWG, making it suitable for common wire connectors and repairs. Hurricane Screwdriver Set. The Hurricane 1000V Insulated Electrician Screwdriver Set includes 13 premium CRV screwdrivers with magnetic Phillips, slotted, Posidriv, and Torx tips, VDE and GS certified for 1000 volts. These screwdrivers are made from durable chrome vanadium steel with hardening magnetic tips, suitable for professional and DIY use. Each screwdriver is crafted for precision with a sturdy ergonomic design ensuring safety and efficiency during electrical work. This comprehensive set comes in vibrant yellow, black, and orange colors, offering industrial-level quality for electricians and contractors alike. CEAGOAL Fish Tape. The CEAGOAL Fish Tape is a robust wire pulling solution, offering a length of 100 feet and a width of 1/8 inch. Constructed from high carbon strength steel, it provides flexibility for long runs and large wire pulls, ideal for electricians and contractors. Featuring an ergonomic design with a large handle for stability and easy retrieval, it includes a convenient rod storage cover for organized storage. This versatile tool facilitates wire running through walls, conduits, and ceilings, ensuring efficient wire installation. SHUANGAN Electrical Insulated Rubber Gloves. The SHUANGAN Electrical Insulated Rubber Gloves offer superior safety for electricians, linemen, and industrial workers. Made from high-quality natural rubber, these gloves boast superior dielectric properties, increased durability, flexibility, and comfort. With a contoured shape to reduce hand fatigue and chafing, they are designed for high-voltage operations up to 12 kV. Suitable for various industrial applications, these gloves undergo rigorous testing and adhere to safety standards. Each pair is ergonomically designed to fit most hand sizes, providing reliable protection against electrical hazards. Remember to conduct preventive tests every 6 months and store them away from heat and direct sunlight for prolonged use. Bye for now. We hope this video on the top 5 best electrical hand tools to buy will help you find your best fit.